Hey guys, it's me Elise, and I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video, and this one's going to be on our affordable wig series playlist. So if you guys haven't checked that out, I'll be sure to link it below. Go ahead and check it out in case you guys are looking for affordable wigs. It'll all be listed there. You guys can see some Aliexpress wigs, some Amazon wigs. Yeah, so go ahead and check that out. I picked up this wig on Aliexpress, and it comes from a company called Wewave. I picked up their Wewave lace frontal wig, and this wig is 14 inches long, and I must say that this wig is quite long for a 14 inch, so they're very generous. And this is also a 250% density wig, so it's really thick, really full. Here's what the hairline looks like. You guys know I'm gonna have to go in and tint the lace, tweeze the hairline. We have a lot of work cut out for ourselves, but you know, when you're getting affordable wigs, be sure to watch these videos because we will show you guys how to make these cheap wigs look expensive. Moving along, I'm gonna go ahead and bleach my knots. I'm just using my 40 volume developer because I ran out of 30 volume, but I went ahead and I used 40, went ahead and applied that, and I allowed that to sit on the knots for about 20 minutes or so. Now I'm going to go ahead and wash the wig. Now, one thing that I did pick up when it came down to this wig was that it had a super strong odor. So if you don't have silicone mixed products, definitely use about a cap full of fabric softener because this wig really had a strong smell. I think it might be from the chemicals. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish washing out this wig, and I'll see you guys with the next step. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and tint my lace. You guys should have seen this process done plenty of times on our channel, but if you're new here, I'm just using my Right synthetic fabric dye in the color chocolate, and then I'm adding it to about a couple of cupfuls of boiling hot water. Then I'm just going to set the lace in that mixture for a few seconds. You want to keep sort of dipping it and then checking it until you reach your desired color. We have a match here. Now, I don't wash the lace afterwards. I just let it sit and dry on the lace. That's how you get your best results, because when I washed the wig afterwards, all that color rinsed off, so it was just a waste of time. Now I'm going to go ahead and tweeze my hairline. You guys see me pull out the perimeter or the baby hairs because I'm going to go ahead and thin that down afterwards, but I'm going to go ahead and tweeze behind the hairline to make it look less boxy and more realistic. Then you're going to see me style up this wig. You guys should know, if you guys are OGs, you guys know this process. I'm going to style up the wig, and then we're going to move on with the next step. Okay, so fast forward about a week later, and here we are. The hair is completely dried, and this is what it's looking like. Now, there was a slight crunchy cast on the hair, but if you just run your fingers through it, you can go ahead and break that off. Hair was super soft. We're gonna go ahead and get the wig on now, so be sure you're protecting your hair. Wear your stocking caps. oil your scalp if you want your hair to grow long while you're wearing these wigs. But yeah, so here's the wig on, and you guys see what the hairline looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace, but I lost that footage, but so the only thing I did was just pull more of my baby hairs out. Now I'm gonna go in with my melting spray. I think that's what it's called. I'll link it below. I got it from Amazon, but I'm gonna go ahead and spray that on the perimeter of the hairline and just blow dry it so that it's nice and dry. Not going anywhere. This is a great alternative for those of you guys who are like myself who do not want to glue your wigs down. I've never done that whole ball cap method ever, but one day I will try it. I'm gonna give it a try and see if it makes a bit of a difference. But yeah, so here's the baby hairs. You guys don't mind it for now. You know, I looked back on the camera and I was like, I'm gonna change this. But this is what the baby hairs are looking like now. Don't mind it. I did change it towards the end of the video. So yeah, now I'm gonna go in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder in the color dark, I believe. And I just throw that on the parting space just to kind of give you a more of a realistic looking part. And this is what the hair is looking like. The hair is super full. The curls, oh my goodness, I didn't have to really do much to achieve these curls. You guys just saw what I did. I literally just brushed through it with my dim-in brush and a little bit of mousse, and that is what I got. This is what the hairline looks like up close. You guys see these curls. I am just absolutely loving this wig. You see, if you put in a little bit of effort, how far you'll be able to get. So don't be commenting saying that your wig didn't look like mine. Pretty sure it did. But yeah, once again, this is what this style is looking like. Now I'm going to go in and just change out the baby hairs. I did tweeze some of the hairs out and then cut them down a little shorter. Then you can use a little bit of your edge control gel, and this is more of my cup of tea. It's very minimal. It's not super loud and bold, but yeah, once again, check out Wewave. They are available on Aliexpress. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.